In this video, you will learn how to create a pie graph in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have generated this pie graph using this set of data. It is the data about the family expenditure. First column shows the item, while second column shows the expenditure. You can display this data as actual values or in the form of percentage. You don't need to calculate the percentage in Microsoft Excel. Just click the percentage option and these values will be converted to percentage. Secondly, this graph is very dynamic. If you make any change in the data, this change will be reflected in your end graph. For example, I will change this value to 35. Press enter. Now you can see here all percentages are changed now. I will change it back to 40. Press enter. Now you can see here the all values are changed. So you will learn how to create this pie graph and how to conditionally format this graph according to your requirement. So let's start this video. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data to save time. Firstly, select this data. Now you can see here I have selected this data. Go to Insert tab and here you will find the option of charts. Select this one, which is the pie or donut chart. Remember that if you have more than 7 entries, you can select pie of pie chart or bar of pie chart. Separate video tutorials are already available on our channel on these graphs. So in this video, I will only focus on simple pie chart. Select this one. After that, select this chart. And here you will find the option of chart design tab. Under chart design tab, you will find different options. Let's explore these options one by one. First one is the quick layout. You can select the layout. Second one is the change color. You can select any color. Third one is the chart styles. Click on this down arrow key. You will find different styles. You can select any one. Now you will learn how to customize your graph according to your choice instead of using inbuilt styles. Firstly, select this graph and here you will find the option of plus sign, which is the chart element option. I want to display data labels, so I will click on this chart element option and here is the option of data label. Select this one. Now you can see here data labels are displayed in our chart. Firstly, you will learn how to edit the title. Select this one. Now you can see here title is selected. Again click here. Remove the existing data. I will write family expenditure. Click here. Again select this one and go to Home tab. Adjust the font. For example, I will choose this one and 20. You can change the color using this option. Now you will learn how to edit these data labels. Select this one. Place your cursor on any data label. Right click. Go to Format Data Label options. I will place it here. Now you can see here we have selected values. I will deselect value and I am interested to display these data labels in the form of percentage, so I will select this one. Similarly, if you are interested to display the category name, you can select this one. Now you can see here percentages along with category names displayed here. So you can select or deselect these options according to your requirement. Similarly, I don't want ladder lines, so I will deselect this one. You can also select values from cells. Here is the option of separator. For example, I am interested to separate these values, which is the category name and percentage. Currently, this is the new line. You can separate this with comma, semicolon. For example, I will select this one. I will again select separate line. Here is the option of label position. You can select center, inside end, outside end, or best fit according to your requirement. I will close this one. I will again select data labels. and from here you can select the font size and font style. I will adjust its size. Again select this graph, click on this graph area. Now you can see here this graph is selected. Right click. Here you will find the option of format data series. Select this one. Here is the option of angle of first slice. You can rotate this pie chart. You can use this slider or you can manually write the values here. Similarly, here is the option of file explosion. You can use this option to explode pie charts. Now I will close this one. If you are interested to explode individual slice, for example, I am interested to explode only food. Click on this chart. Now you can see here whole chart is selected. Again click on this slice. Now you can see here only one slice is selected. It is indicated by these small circles. Place your cursor on selected slice. Right click. Go to format data point and now use point explosion. You will observe that only one slice will explode. I will close this one. Now you will learn how to change the color of these slices. Click on this chart. Right click. Go to format data series. Go to fill and line option. From here automatic color, vary color by slice is selected. I will scroll down. Here is the option of border. I will choose solid line. You can select the color. For example, in this case I am interested in black color and I will adjust the width to 1.5 pt. You can select any solid fill. For example, I will select solid fill. Now you can see here color is changed now. Now you will learn how to change the color of individual slice. Click on this chart. Now you can see here whole chart is selected. Now again click on individual slice. Now you can see here only this food slice is selected. Place your cursor on this slice, right click, go to format data point, go to fill and line option, and from here you can select any color. For example, I will select this one. Similarly, click on second slice and change the color. Select third slice and change the color. So by using this option, you can customize the color according to your requirement. In last part of video, you will learn how to edit these legends. Select this one. From font size, you can select font size. After selecting these, right click, go to format legend option, and here you will find the option of legend options, position top, bottom, left, right. I will close this one. You can observe that we have already displayed the category name as well as values in pie charts, so we don't need this legend. So after selecting this graph, click on this chart element option and deselect legend option. This will be automatically removed. So by using this option, you can easily customize your pie chart according to your requirement. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.